a world beyond the physical, imagining a future of disembodied consciousness where the boundaries of our existence are redefined. What if our brains could live independently of our bodies, free from the constraints of our physical forms? Picture a world where the essence of our being, our thoughts, emotions, and memories could exist solely within the intricate network of neurons that make up our brains, transcending the need for a physical vessel. This captivating notion, once confined to the realms of science fiction, is now a topic of serious scientific and philosophical exploration, pushing the boundaries of what we understand about consciousness. Imagine a future where the limitations of our physical forms no longer confine us, where our minds can roam free, unencumbered by the frailties of our bodies. We could explore the vast expanse of space, unburdened by the fragility of our bodies, venturing into realms previously thought unreachable. We could potentially live indefinitely, free from the constraints of aging and disease, experiencing life in a way that was once unimaginable. The possibilities, while both exhilarating and unsettling, ignite our imaginations and challenge our understanding of what it means to be human, pushing us to rethink our very nature. This concept of disembodied consciousness raises profound questions about the nature of self, the relationship between mind and body, and the very definition of life and death, urging us to explore deeper philosophical inquiries. It delves into the essence of who we are, questioning whether we are merely biological machines or something more profound, something that transcends our physical form. It forces us to confront our deepest fears and aspirations, prompting us to reevaluate our place in the cosmos and our understanding of existence itself. As we stand at the precipice of this uncharted territory, we must tread carefully, guided by both scientific rigor and ethical considerations, ensuring that our quest for knowledge does not compromise our humanity. The journey towards understanding and potentially achieving disembodied consciousness promises to be one of the most transformative and awe-inspiring adventures in human history, a journey that could redefine our very existence. Consciousness Unveiled, a journey into the essence of self-awareness. Consciousness, that elusive yet undeniable aspect of our being, remains one of the most profound mysteries in science and philosophy. It's the subjective experience of awareness, the feeling of what it's like to be alive and to have a unique perspective on the world. Consciousness encompasses our thoughts, emotions, sensations, and the very essence of our self-awareness. It's the inner voice that narrates our lives, the silent observer within our minds that experiences the world around us. Without consciousness, we would be nothing more than complex biological machines, reacting to stimuli without any sense of self or understanding. But what exactly is consciousness, and how does it arise from the intricate network of neurons within our brains? This question has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries, and while we have made significant strides in understanding the biological basis of consciousness, the subjective, experiential aspect remains a formidable challenge. Unlocking the secrets of consciousness is not just an intellectual pursuit, but a journey into the very core of what it means to be human. It's about understanding the spark that illuminates our inner world and exploring the potential for consciousness to exist beyond the confines of our physical bodies. The engine of thought, how the brain gives rise to our inner world. This journey into the depths of our mind begins with understanding the brain's intricate design. Our brains, the most complex structures known to humankind, serve as the biological seat of consciousness. They are a labyrinth of neurons and synapses, each playing a part in the grand symphony of our mental life. This 3-pound organ, a marvel of evolutionary engineering, orchestrates a symphony of neural activity that gives rise to our thoughts, emotions, and perceptions. Every second, billions of neurons fire, creating the dynamic processes that define our inner world. While the exact mechanisms by which consciousness emerges from the brain remain elusive, scientists have identified key areas and processes that play crucial roles. These discoveries are the stepping stones to unraveling the mysteries of our conscious experience. The cerebral cortex, the outermost layer of the brain, is believed to be particularly important for higher cognitive functions, such as language, reasoning, and decision-making. It is here that the complexity of human thought is most evident. Within the cerebral cortex, specific regions specialize in processing different types of information, such as visual input, auditory stimuli, and bodily sensations. This specialization allows us to interpret and interact with the world around us. The limbic system, a collection of interconnected structures deep within the brain, plays a vital role in emotions, memory, and motivation. It is the bridge between our instinctual drives and our higher cognitive functions. This ancient part of our brains, often referred to as the emotional brain, helps us process and respond to stimuli with feelings like fear, joy, and sadness. It is the seat of our emotional life, influencing our behavior and decisions. The intricate interplay between these brain regions, along with billions of neurons communicating through electrochemical signals, creates the rich tapestry of our conscious experience. This network of communication is the foundation of our thoughts and feelings. While much remains to be discovered, understanding the brain's role in consciousness is essential for exploring the potential for its existence independent of the body. This knowledge could one day unlock new realms of human experience and understanding. From ancient beliefs to modern neuroscience, the evolution of understanding consciousness has been a fascinating journey. Throughout history, humans have grappled with the enigmatic nature of consciousness, trying to understand what it means to be aware and self-aware. Ancient civilizations often attributed consciousness to supernatural forces, believing in souls or spirits that inhabited and animated our bodies. These beliefs were deeply rooted in their cultures and influenced their understanding of life and death. In ancient Egypt, the heart was considered the seat of the soul, a vital organ that connected the physical and spiritual realms. Meanwhile, in ancient Greece, philosophers like Plato and Aristotle debated the nature of the soul and its relationship to the body, laying the groundwork for future philosophical inquiries. With the advent of modern science, particularly the fields of neuroscience and psychology, our understanding of consciousness began to shift dramatically. This transition moved the concept of consciousness from the realm of the supernatural to the realm of the biological, where it could be studied and measured. Scientists began to investigate the brain's role in consciousness, using tools like electroencephalography, EEG, to measure brain activity and correlate it with different states of awareness. These studies have provided invaluable insights into how our brains function and how they give rise to conscious experience. This shift in perspective from the spiritual to the scientific has paved the way for groundbreaking discoveries about the brain's role in consciousness. It has allowed researchers to explore the neural mechanisms underlying our thoughts, emotions, and perceptions. However, the subjective, experiential aspect of consciousness continues to pose a significant challenge to traditional scientific methods. This has led to ongoing debates and explorations in the fields of philosophy of mind and cognitive science, as scholars seek to understand the nature of conscious experience. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the brain, we move closer to unraveling the secrets of consciousness and unlocking its full potential. The journey is far from over, and each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the profound nature of our own awareness.